So here we are in the GA4 Demo account, and I just thought we'd take a look at how to look at, for example, unbranded queries. So in terms of search engine optimization, really the unbranded queries are where your success is working. So this isn't the full Search Console, so we only have a little bit of it available to us in the GA4 Demo account, but there's quite a bit you can do in here. So I'm just going to show you that. So here under Search Console, we've got two options here. We've got queries and Google Organic search traffic. So under queries, so this view shows you lots of things. So here are all the queries that people put in, and here it's showing you how many clicks they got, how many impressions they got. So it might have been shown lots of times, but lots of people didn't click on it. How the average click-through rate, okay, so 59%. Google's prize portal, that's really good, it's very high, but Google Merchandise Store isn't actually getting a lot of people clicking on it. So the number of people who saw it is way higher than the numbers that clicked. Other things in terms of the position in the SERPs, and this is one that you might be very interested in. Over here it's showing you the position in the SERPs, and you can sort these by anything. So for example, you could sort it by here, and you can change the number and then sort again. Okay, so all of these are in position 1, and you can just then work out what's at the top and what's at the bottom. In here they have all of them, and they're only showing you 10 at the moment, but you could, for example, view more than that. For example, here you could choose to see 250 at a time, but this is a combination of branded and unbranded. Okay, now to be honest, the word Google is going to appear most of these, so I'm just going to really show you how it works. So up here, open this report as an exploration, and that will give us more options. So if we click on that over here, we can now change some of the settings in here, and we can put in a filter of our own. So this is exactly the same report, but now we're actually able to make some changes to it. So the first thing I'll do is I'll put in my name in here. So for example, put in DM and we'll say SEO non-branded. Okay, so this is non-branded queries. Okay, so in here we have it all working out here, and the rows here are showing you the organic Google search query, and that's already set as a dimension in here. So all I'm going to do is, it's really, really simple. All I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this dimension over here to the filter. Okay, and select match type does not contain, and then in here you'd normally type in your brand name. Okay, but because this is the Google Merchandise Store, that mightn't look very good. So what I'm going to do is, so for example here you can see some of these include the term swag. Okay, so I'm going to try and remove all the ones that mention the word swag, but in reality you'd normally put in your branded name. Okay, so SWAG. Okay, that does not, and then click on apply. Okay, and you can see they're now all gone from here. And now all you're looking at are the normally the non-branded options that are available to you. And because you've given it a name up here, it'll be saved in the exploration area for you.